future wars over water is a dreaded warning. Worse is already in the making. Over 2.2 million people are dying every year because of waterborne diseases. 90% of them are children under 5. Over a billion people around the globe lack access to safe drinking water. In human terms, it means that half the hospital beds around the world are filled with people with waterborne diseases. It means that millions of people spend most of their time managing water at the expense of their education, care for children, and community participation. Of the many reasons, one that acts as a barrier to water solution is the misallocation of large funds into smaller projects, owing to centralized and rigid bureaucracy that looks into such disbursements. Having realized this, Blue Planet Run in 2006 unveiled Pure Water Exchange, or PWX, a powerful network of people and funders working together to create a sustainable information solution to water issues.
Currently, we don't have a way to take a lot of money and divide into small projects. The bureaucracy in the middle that overseeing the project selection and impact assessment forms a barrier to scale. So the Pure Water Exchange was an answer to that, to say, is there a way we can structure the whole process of raising the money, selecting the projects, managing the implementation, and overseeing their long-term impact in a way that doesn't need a bureaucracy.
Primarily driven through its website, PWX has in the past 5 years emerged as a powerful combination of people, process, and technology, wherein grassroots organizations collaborate and help improve each other's projects. Its network has helped distribute funds and manage diverse water projects efficiently while making invaluable project data available for anyone to review and use.
And so the Pure Water Exchange is a way to think differently and operate differently in a way that the people applying for the projects are experts in the field. They have field experience. If they reviewed each other's projects as an applicant, they would learn how other people are doing similar or different projects in the water sector around the world, and they would share knowledge and help figure out what are the best projects to fund.
Here's a look at how this collaborative process unfolds at various stages. A simple application involves no formatting and allows for uploading spreadsheets, documents, photos, and videos. This dramatically reduces application time and allows implementers to focus on their projects. Using peer review reduces overheads. It introduces other applicants from around the world to review a given application and the chances of any one party acting as a roadblock. It also helps in improving the quality of the project, as the reviewers also contribute with their own valuable comments. Since funders are also part of the review process, peer review takes the burden off any one funding agency to review a project. The peer review ensures that the best projects surface for the funding decisions on their own through review process. The powerful review process also makes it easier for the funders to identify, manage, and monitor projects so that it meets their strategic objectives. It is easy to put up status reports, photos, and commentaries to show progress to the agency headquarters, funders, and the public. Each project contains its entire history of what happened and what was learned. The transparency of information on the development cycle of the project makes it easy to assess the long-term impact. Having created an open and transparent platform, PWX has also emerged as one of the largest databases on water from around the globe, which is easily accessible through innovative maps that cover all aspects of funding and projects. In terms of tangible impact, the PWX has been able to reach out to over 60 partners in 21 countries, with over $2.8 million managed across 1,000 communities, creating over 700,000 beneficiaries. And going forward, it aims at integrating SMS service over cell phone to track and monitor projects even faster and quicker.
We also want to introduce SMS technologies where people in the villages can tell us simple status of the high level of water or the quality, and we want that. We have visitors open. It'd be great if students or Rotarians could go and visit projects and tell us how they're operating.
Innovative thinking of available technology has helped PWX revolutionize the water sector in an unprecedented way, with its impact visible even in the social space.
So if what we found is that people are ready to work together and cooperate, if we set up the system that is not inherently competitive but collaborative, then people will work together and share their knowledge, operate using a technology platform, but coming back to the basic human needs of doing good work and sharing it. We found in the last 6 years the Pure Water Exchange is a fabulous model for development and achieving results, and then long-term finding out what really happened.
And from here, one can truly hope that a decentralized and demystified approach to water crisis can be learned by all involved in the sector, so that 1 billion plus people get access to safe drinking water, and the water projects on the ground don't have to languish and wait before bureaucracies attend to them.